Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. We're here in Chicago, as you can see. I hope this finds you well. It's a beautiful day here in Chicago. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you be my neighbor? It is 60-some degrees here in Chicago, but beautiful and sunny. So I hope it's great wherever you are at. I'm just taking a break right now. I had a lecture program this morning, got another one this afternoon. Got to go work out, got to get my steps in, all that kind of good stuff, and doing promotion for LGBTQ+ History Month, which is coming up in about 20-some days in October. So working on that, and also programs for September and onward. It's been a challenge, honey. You know, they're erasing the crosswalks and the rainbows and everything else. Don't let them do that. Voice your opinion. Get all your congressperson, anywhere that you can, but we need to be resilient, because we're not going to be erased. We're here. Find other ways to put that rainbow and show your colors. It's just like every day I see something new and I post it and comment on it, and I have communication and chats with people that are being affected by all this. And I know it's a strain on our psyche and everything else, but we got to rise up and be better and have hope. So I pray for that every day and everything that I do. And it's, everybody asks, like, how's the speaking business? Well, it's a struggle. It's a struggle right now, and I'm doing all that I can as an advocate and speaking for as long as I have. So that's what's happening. So that's all that's going on in my world. Busy weekend? I don't know. Not so much. Got a couple things planned, and kind of low key for a while. It's kind of strange, I know, since I usually been gone every weekend. Speaking of which, those of you, my friends, followers, anybody in Palm Springs, California, yep, I'm coming back for my November trip, the 11th to the 18th. Unfortunately, I will not be there for Pride the weekend before. I couldn't secure a decent place to stay, cost-wise. So I'm going to come there for a week after, which is a little bit more low-key, and you can get into the restaurants and go out and have a cocktail while waiting these huge lines. It's all good. I just kind of wanted to have kind of the both and celebrate with everybody out there, because it's one of my favorite Pride Fest that's ever happened. So if you're out there, go. Support that area. It's a beautiful area. Some great, wonderful people that really full of gratitude that I met over the years. So, have a great day. Subscribe, like, and share. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, everything, message me. I would love to hear from you. And again, be hopeful, rise up, and do something good for yourself today and every day. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna be fine. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for checking in. Take care. Bye.